is a Ucunivanua Verata. Yeah, it's your boy Rocks in the mix. Oh, from the shores of Tailevu, where the sunrise prays, Ucunivanua whispers ancient names. Stories in the wind from a time long gone. Lutuna sober's blood still carries on. Yeah, Stone Park, remember the chiefs who stood tall. Okamoto's voice in the conch shell call. Verata strong before there wasn't time. That same old strength now shines in your eyes. Emily, you walk like the tide knows your name. Soft as the breeze, but you carry the flame. A heart so pure with a soul so deep. Born from a vanua that never sleeps. Every step you take, history alive. Every smile you give keeps the past survive. From the village drums to the ocean view, Verata lives on through you. Rosi Ni Verata, Ucunivanua, you're one of a kind, blooming from the roots of a powerful time. Rosi Ni Verata, Ucunivanua, so divine. A loving heart, a caring soul. Girl, you're real, one of a kind. They say Verata ruled when the islands were young. Before barrows strong, before wars were sung. Alliances broken, but manner remained. In the bloodline, the land, in the women's name. You carry grace, like the old chief's crown. But your power's in kindness, the way you hold down. Family first with a heart that gives. That's the real legacy, that's how Verata lives. When you laugh, it sounds like the reef at play. When you care, you heal hearts in a quiet way. No gold, no throne, no need to pretend. Your love alone makes broken things mend. From exile stories to coming back home. From Tarasalapa to the sacred stone. The past and now in perfect design, all reflected in your light. Rosi Ni Verata, Ucunivanua, you're one of a kind, blooming from the roots of a powerful time. Rosi Ni Verata, Ucunivanua, so divine. A loving heart, a caring soul. Girl, you're rare, one of a kind. If the ancestors could speak tonight, they smile at the way you carry their light. Not in war cries, not in pride, but in how you love and stand by my side. Like the ocean guards the village shore, you protect hearts, you give them more. A modern queen with an oh so glow. From Verata land to the world you go. Emily, Ucunivanua calls your name. Verata stands behind you. Rosi Ni Verata, Ucunivanua. Yeah. Rosi Ni Verata, Rosi Ni Verata, you're one of a kind. From ancient chiefs to this heart of mine. Rosi Ni Verata, Rosi Ni Verata, you shine, a loving heart, a caring soul. Girl, you're rare, one of a kind. Rosi Ni Verata, Rosi Ni Verata, forever you'll be. The past, the present, the future I see. From the land of strength, from the land of grace. Emily, you're Verata's face. From the drums of old to the songs we sing, your name will echo through everything. Ucunivanua, proud and true. Verata's rose, Emily, it's you.